This is an orientation video on how to log into the site. First thing you need to do is you need to go to dbcollege.com to get to the main Du Bois Business College site. Then you want to click on this link on the end here to take you to the login portal. That'll be where you bring in your username and your password that was given to you when you registered for the course. So you want to put your username in the username box and the password, and then click log on. When you click log on, then it'll take you to a main page. On the sidebars, the critical thing we want to see is on the sidebar where it says navigation. In the navigation area, you'll see my courses. You want to click on the down arrow and it'll list all the courses you're registered for. I'm going to click on this one with the down arrow. It's called EP 1600, and here I'll see everything from the course home all the way down to all the weeks. Looking at the course home, the first thing I'm going to click on is the announcement page, and here you will find all the announcements for the course. These will be updated periodically, weekly. So you should check on those, and maybe even more often than weeks, so check regularly on the announcements. Now, always navigate from the sidebar. Although there's other ways of doing it, you can navigate at the top or other places. Here I'm looking at the tools and also the textbook page, textbooks and supplies, and there's a little video there and also a little chart going over that. Clicking on the grading tab, you'll see here the grading rubrics for your assignments, basically 3 assignments. And as you go over these assignments, you'll see the various grading methods. Here's a video on how to scan work under scanning. Basically, when you do your artwork, you're going to have to scan it in a scanner, so you need to review that video as well. As you scroll down, there's weekly reading assignments. And this will show you all the assignments for the full 6-week period, all the reading assignments from the textbook that will be listed. And then also this is all of the assignments for the written or the art and written assignments. So we by week and the deadlines, when their deadlines are due. So you need to click on that to see those. Here I'm just going to go over week 1 a little wee bit, but what you need to do is see each one on your own. But this is just to orient you on how to navigate. Navigate using the sidebar. This just gives you the overview of the week's assignments, all of them, the reading and also the art assignment. That just for each week that will be there. These are lectures, and each week will have a series of lectures. This is the intro lecture called Drawing Principles, and then this is lecture 1, and each week will have several lectures plus assignments. So again, I'm not going to go over every single week. I just want to orient you to the fact that you use that sidebar, and you'll see a variety of things from videos to this is a little flash demo showing how to draw a box in 2-point perspective, and you could go through the steps one by one as you see there, just to refresh your memory, or never done it before. It's a nice little way of looking at it, and I have a couple of these throughout the course, so you need to check that out. And then as you progress through the lectures, you go from one lecture to the other, and you can continue till you get through the lectures. And here I'll just click on the final lecture, which is lecture 3. And then finally, it'll simply say, go ahead on to the assignments. And then there's a set of 3 assignments. Well, there's one more lecture, lecture 4, on shading. And then the assignments will follow, as it says there. Complete all the assignments. This is an essay assignment. And then you'll see one essay assignment in week 1. And then there's a 2-point perspective assignment with a video demo, and also an image of what the final, or a sample of what the final will look like. And the demo just takes you through the steps in doing it. And there should be a demo for almost every assignment until later in the course where there won't be as many. So again, each week will be pretty much the same, so I'm not going to go through every week. This is just week 1. And here, just on, again, the scanning thing, do that a couple times in the early weeks, just to remind you in case you didn't get it the first time under the course home area. And then finally, this would be an example here of, this would be the final assignment 3. Again, going over the scan video sample, and then the how-to video is also included. So basically, this is how this works. You need to navigate on the side panel. Here you click if you want to submit an assignment. You write something if you need to, and then to bottom the where it says add, you can click on the add button to bring in any of your artwork that you've scanned. So you just go upload, click on that, browse, find your artwork, and then simply click on it, and it'll upload it to the classroom. Once the artwork is uploaded to the classroom, you are to comment on it with your classmates' work. So you need to do 2 critiques as well. Week 2 goes on with the same process, and always use the sidebar on the left. Okay, so this is just an orientation video. The most important things, you know how to get into the course, and also how to navigate using the left hand sidebar.